3 ways to make espresso without a machine. If you're craving espresso but don't have a machine, never fear. There are plenty of ways to make this rich, delicious coffee drink without any fancy equipment. In this video, we will show you 3 easy methods for making espresso without a machine. First is to use a French press. This classic coffee making method is actually quite simple, and it produces a delicious cup of espresso. Just add finely ground coffee beans and hot water to your French press. Let it steep for 4 minutes, then press down on the plunger. The result will be a strong, flavorful espresso that you can enjoy without any fuss. Another option is to use a stovetop espresso maker. This is another easy way to make espresso without a machine. All you need is a stovetop espresso maker, which you can find at most kitchen stores. Just add water and ground coffee beans to the pot, put it on the stove, and let it simmer until the desired strength is achieved. Once it's done, you'll have a tasty cup of espresso to enjoy. Lastly, use an Aeropress. The Aeropress is a popular coffee-making device that's simple to use and produces excellent results. Just add ground coffee and hot water to the Aeropress chamber, screw on the plunger, and press down. In just a few minutes, you'll have a delicious cup of espresso to savor. No matter which method you choose, making espresso without a machine is easy and fun. So next time you're in the mood for this rich coffee drink, give one of these methods a try. So if you're looking for a decaf option that doesn't sacrifice flavor, then be sure to check out one of these 3 brands. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video. Subscribe to the channel and share this video to a coffee lover friend.